Notice the first bullet point here. Fair play is what we should strive for in our professional relationships. We're not just talking about sport here. We're talking about applying this to our lives, not just now, but for the rest of our lives. I like this first bullet point here. Our personal morality reflects how we treat others in the workplace and others around us. How do you treat people? Are you good to them? Are you kind to them? Do you try to help them? Do you look for ways to help them? How do you go about your life? If you remember earlier in the semester, earlier in the month, I should say, we talked about loyalty and how that's not really one of the prime moral values, but it is what people want and what people expect. So professional loyalty is something you're going to have expected of you probably for the rest of your lives. And here's a few looks at how people handle loyalty. And for much of the rest of this chapter, we will look at codes of ethics, what they mean, how they're applied, etc.